When communication fails, lives are lost. Hero ensures communication never stops. These systems become unreliable or completely unavailable.
Before I demonstrate the application, I would like to show you the communication setup that powers a prototype. So, as you can see, this is our local Wi-Fi device we are currently using to establish communication between our command center and the field officer mobile devices. You can observe that both of our phones are in aeroplane mode, like see. You can see this mobile is in aeroplane mode, and also one of my tablet is in aeroplane mode. So the thing we are using Wi-Fi is it's only for the connection enabled in Wi-Fi, like throughout which the devices are connected to this local network. That's it. So our primary objective in this hackathon is to validate the communication workflow and emergency response architecture. At this stage, we are initially focusing on the software intelligence rather than the specialized hardware. So you can see this router is only connected to the power supply. That's it. And there's no internet coming from it. Like it's like a communication layer. It's like a communication engine for our hackathon project. In simple terms, we first solve the workflow and software architecture. Once the workflow is proven, replacing the underlying communication device becomes straightforward, let me demonstrate how Hero enables communication even without relying on the internet or conventional mobile networks. So coming to our prototype, this is our Hero, a hybrid emergency response operations, an offline first emergency communication platform that is designed for police and disaster response teams. So this is the login interface for application. So the same platform supports both the command center admin and the field officer's application. So for demonstration purpose, we have added quick login option so that we can instantly showcase different emergency scenarios. So let me log in first as an admin. So this is the command center. This dashboard acts as the brain of the command center. The entire ecosystem is covered here. Dispatchers can monitor the tactical map, view the persons which they have assigned, and also they can manage the incidents. They can chat with the others. They can post their announcements. They can see the evidence logs. They can check the security audits log. So this is the all-in-one ecosystem which we built. And we built it like a desktop app. So you can see here, this is the interface. There's a home, map, radio, chat, and camera. Let me demonstrate one of the most crucial features of our system, the emergency SOS. So you can see here, this is the emergency SOS right here. So this feature is extremely important in real life. Because in real life situations, an officer may not be able to make a phone or explain the situation. So a single emergency trigger immediately notifies the command center and enables the nearby officers deployed for assistance. So our platform also allow officers to update their operational status. You can see here, there's the three things like the officer can choose. It's like the available, patrolling, or busy. He can fix his availability. So this provides the real-time visibility, like what police is doing, what work, and what is the work availability and all. So these map modules displays the locations of the officers, who are active and who are doing what. So let's test with the emergency SOS. So you can see when I had pressed with a phone, you can see there's an alarm in the laptop. So this is the emergency SOS as we mentioned about the feature, right? So let's check with the radio. So let's go with the radio communication, like how it works. So you can see this is the radio. So when I would be saying I need help, it should be redirected to the command center. So let's test it. Hello, I need emergency. I'm police 1.
Hello, I need emergency. I'm police 1.
So you can listen from the laptop and the other phone simultaneously. This demonstrates that every component in an ecosystem is connected and communicating seamlessly over this local network environment. So this is the group chat where everything would be synced here. So I'll be sending a hi message from my phone. So I sent a hi message. So see, I had instantly received it, and I'll be keeping hello from my command center, and like this would be redirected to my both of my phones. You can see. Just a second. So like you can see in both of my phones there's the message. This is how the group chat works. So now let's have a look on the evidence logs. So if any officer captures any important proofs from the field, like such as photos or else incidents evidence, so they can directly upload it from our mobile application. You can see here. So like these evidence files are securely stored and instantly available in the command center. You can see like I'll be posting an evidence log with a description hello. So you can see that evidence log here. So see, you had the exact one, right? And overall these are the major functionalities that were requested in the hackathon problem statement. Like we have successfully implemented most every core workflow. The only one question that which may rise is, why are you using a standard Wi-Fi router instead of a specialized hardware like a Raspberry Pi or detached mesh networking devices? So for that, my answer is simple. So we intentionally focused on building on a reliable software first. So because of our communication engine is hardware independent, the underlying transport layer can be easily replaced in the future. I think you got it. Like we can replace in the future with the Raspberry Pi clusters or the mesh networking devices, open route routers, or any dedicated emergency hardware without changing the application logic. So I think the application logic is same. It stays same for even if we change the device also. So like a stable workflow is the foundation for us. Once that workflow is validated, upgrading the hardware becomes a significant straightforward process, right? So like as you have seen throughout this demonstration, every major workflow from emergency alerts, live communication, status updates, messaging, evidence collection, command center condition, everything is fully functional and working in real time. Like this project completely demonstrated the emergency communication can continue even without relying on traditional internet infrastructure. Finally, we would like to thank the organizers for this opportunity, and we are Team 404, Team Not Found. We truly believe that with further support and development, Hero has the potential to become a practical solution for police forces, disaster management, and emergency responders. Because when every second matters, communication should never fail. Thank you for your valuable time.